Cha-cha. Hey guys, how you guys doing today? This is Solefly Sector checking in for another video. Hope you guys doing well, being safe, and all that good stuff. Hope you guys are having Solefly day today. So by the title, you probably already know what this video is about, but yeah, just if you're new, please leave a like already and hit that subscribe button for more videos. So yeah, let's get into it. So I did unbox these from the box already, but I didn't see them quite yet. These are pretty cool. These are pretty cool Yeezys because they pretty much did a different style and yeah, pretty much like a different style and with different ideas to them. But this is still 350 V2, and I know we've seen a lot of 350 V2s a lot lately, so I know it's not that exciting, but to me it's exciting because I like when they do different things. So that being said, let's get right into them. So 350, you know the deal, right? So let's open them. Boom. Can't really see them. There they are. Ooh. Wow. Wow. I can't. These do look really different. I could already tell like the difference of them. Wow. Wow, this is the type of thing that I love when Yeezy tries to do something different. Ooh, these are nice in hand. These are probably like a better design that I've ever seen Yeezy trying to do. So these are the Yeezy MX Oats right here. So the MX Oats, these are like ones that I try to acquire, and I got them on the like sneaker and stuff. Yeah, sneakers and stuff app. They've been showing me a lot of love on the Yeezys, and because I won on pretty much on all the shoes. I won on the Yeezys more. I did win on one like Nike Dunk, but I didn't win on any Jordans. I don't know why. So shout out to the SNS app. So here they are. Really nice Flyknit material all throughout. It feels kind of smoother in a way. I don't know why. And they do have like that stripe. That stripe's like clear, like you can't really see under that much, but you could see, you guys could see a little bit you know, you can see those dots under there or right there, you know, like the holes areas. I'm glad that they went with the see-through stripe again. I don't know why, but I really like that touch. They do have a pull tab in the back, you know, the beige pull tab. I really like the color on here, like with the pinks and stuff, like pink and blue. Like it's a really nice and dope Yeezy 350 that I've been wanting. And I do like the MX Rocks, I think they're called. They're called something of that sort, and that shoe is really nice because it's a black Yeezy 350, and they are releasing sometime this month, but they don't have confirmed date on when they're actually going to release. So yeah, these are it. These are the oats. I got them in my collection. These kind of look like the like linen 350s that I do have. I don't know, probably sometime down the line I'll get rid of those and keep these because I really want these. These are the ones that I've been wanting and I've been waiting for it to release. So I got them. Oh, man, I can't wait to show you guys the on feet because I'm pretty sure they will look super nice on feet and everything. This is definitely a solefly shoe right here. I really prefer these because these are really nice in hand. They have a lot of colors, peach, like a nice little peach colorway right there. Kind of looks like yellow in a way, and like pink, I guess that color is right there, and some blues. It's really nice. Adidas, Yeezy in the insole. So I got size 10.5 because it looks like the new Yeezys nowadays run kind of big in a way, because I did pick up the mono ice, and those are a size 11 and they're a little big on me, so I don't know what's up with that. That kind of sucks in a way, so I don't like that. So that's why I went back to the 10.5. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy that on feet, because the on feet, I'm pretty sure you guys will be looking for that on feet. So yeah, so that's the shoe right there with all the crazy colorways. Right there at the bottom. It's pretty nice. I can't wait for the other MX colorway, and I'm guessing like the MX means like this swirl effect to them, because they are releasing, they already have released like a MX like foam runners like these and these, and those are cool too. Like I really like what they're trying to do with the new stuff. So yeah, Yeezy has really been doing well. They're like, Yeezy still haven't died in my opinion, because I still go after them, as you could probably see. So yeah, tell me what you think about the MX Oat Yeezy 350s right here. Do you like them or do you not like them? Will you cop yourself a pair of Yeezys or not, or what? So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Hope you guys have a so fly day today, and please leave a like on this video, and hit that subscribe button down below. Thank you. And leave a comment of whatever you want. Do you like these or not? Just leave it down below. You could comment about anything you want. And please share this video to all of your peoples that you know, so I could entertain them more and more and more and bring you guys nice and dope and solefly videos more and more. So, me voy and vámonos.
Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side.
Day we hustle, but the night we
Know that they ride or die. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side.
day we hustle, but the night
Boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. My name came up a lot, it sounds more when I was not around. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. My name came up a lot, it sounds more when I was not around. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. My name came up a lot, it sounds more when I was not around. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. My name came up a lot, it sounds more when I was not around. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side.
day we hustle, but the night we
Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die.